Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Karbon for accounting firm document organization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Karbon platform and log into your account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select the option labeled document organization from the settings list. You will see different categories for organizing documents. Choose Create New Category to add a classification that suits your firm's workflow. Enter a descriptive name for the new category. You may add additional details to clarify the category's purpose. Once you're satisfied with the information, click on Save. Repeat this process to create any additional categories you need. Next, return to the main dashboard and go to the Documents section. Here, you will see an option to upload files. Click on Upload and select the relevant documents from your device. After uploading, assign each document to the corresponding categories created earlier. To do this, click on the document you wish to categorize. Select the category from the drop-down menu on the Document Details page. Once selected, make sure to click Save Changes to update the document's organization. To ensure effective retrieval, use keywords in the document descriptions. Utilize the search bar to quickly locate documents based on the categories or keywords. Review your document organization regularly to maintain efficiency. Train your team on how to navigate this system effectively. Stay updated with any new features that Karbon may introduce for enhancing document organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.